My name is Vanessa Reynolds. I am a musician and I identify as queer musician of color. And I'm from Detroit. My family has a very rich musical legacy here in the city of Detroit. I grew up in a very musical household. My mother has been singing professionally since before I was born and exposed my older sister and I to highly influential folks such as Nina Simone, Grace Jones, Paul McCartney and the Wings, and so many more. My creative drive comes from just like watching people play music, watching people create art in whatever way that they choose to express it. I'm inspired by the beauty and creativity of those that surround me. There's so much to be said about what's going on in Detroit artistically and musically. We're River Spirit, and just want to thank everybody at Elko for having us. Excited to see all this Hardy. For me to be a musician here in Detroit, I feel like there's already such a charged, or there's so much energy, like musically in Detroit, and the history of Detroit, and in my family, that I feel like it's really something that's super serious. It's because I'm kind of like in the place that I am now. Or in this point in time, just kind of like being, in some sense, passed the torch, you know, to kind of like represent, you know, because I'm definitely a Detroiter and I have been all my life. 20 years fly by and I don't know what to do. This is why, for me, to be queer and a musician and a Detroiter speaks to creative legacy and making waves for the future.